Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is going to be a weird one because we are going away and I don't know for how long. I've literally just set 4 months of this year dedicated, took time off to just travel, and I also want to go to East Africa, but that's on the red list, so I can only deal with one red list country at a time. So I'm going to do my PCR test today, and it's the same day result. It's 7 AM right now. And then also I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm doing a lot today. I'm such a last minute person, but we are going to get it done. Nails done, PCR test, that's all that's needed to fly to Zim, and we will be home. Hello, so I landed this afternoon and my brother has been going to extra lessons for school and he doesn't know that I'm here. It's all a surprise, but we haven't been able to spend time with him throughout the lockdown pandemic. It's nice to finally be around him. I can't imagine what it's like being 15, going through the whole pandemic, being in boarding school, a whole environment that you're not familiar with. Hello. When did you come? Oh, I missed you. You too. Good morning. Today we are going dog walking and it's dog leads. Dog's name? Rodrigo. These are German Shepherds, so they're going to grow pretty big very soon, and
they're going to bite someone.
Are they going to bite you?
No.
It's okay, puppy. Go. Where? Nah, these dogs are lazy. We're trying to take you for a nice walk. Yeah. Come on. It's not that great today, just like yesterday. It's a bit cloudy, but it is what it is. Zimbabwean winter is my summer, so I'll take this weather any day compared to England. So drove past and saw a sugarcane standing up. Hold on, Zimbe. Huh? Zimbe! I was like, and this will be the death of me. Need that. I've just changed into my swimwear. I was gifted by Shein, and it's a white swimsuit. You can wear it like crossways, front ways, or sideways, but I always prefer sideways. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that most of my swimsuits are always sideways. I feel like it just complements my shoulders and it gives a bit of shoulder cleavage, and the back is a bit of a mess, I can't lie. I feel like the tying makes it not picture worthy. I'm trying to get the back. The back isn't like picture worthy. I don't give a damn about nothing else. Freaking you is all I need. Good morning. We go again with the Pilates classes today. Last week it was so painful, but quite refreshing. It's a bit challenging because I feel like I'm not as flexible as I should be, so my body really felt like it was an out-of-body experience. So it was a rude awakening that I need to do more in terms of stretches and work on my flexibility. But sugar pinda! Oh my god, these dogs! You were pinda get. Ah, these dogs. Gonna make me late. Sugar, pinam get. Sugar, pinam get. Pinam, Amy, pinam get. Oh, these dogs are gonna drive me insane. Pinam get. Amy, pinam get. Hamunyari. These dogs take me out of bloody character, they do.
Did I need to wear
shoes? I didn't wear shoes. Okay. I was like, everybody has on sneaks.
I'm going out this lunch. Zimbabweans will make a serious situation into a joke. How can they make a song about coronavirus? It's about... I'm going out for lunch with Dinky. You may know her, and she's popular on Instagram and very chic. I love her fashion, and yeah, she's doing really well. So we're going out for lunch. It's my first time meeting her, so we're going for lunch in Chizzy at Friends Cafe, so that should be fun. Just waiting for my cousin because I want to get some data, so I'm gonna get some like 8 GB data that will last me for like a month, he says, allegedly. Doesn't know how much data I use. My Instagram says I use like 455 gigabytes, so I don't know how the 8 GB is gonna work. But when I'm at home, I use the Wi-Fi for like internet, Instagram and stuff. When I'm out, I just use it for like basic phone calls, WhatsApp, just making sure I'm in contact with family and, you know, etc. So yeah.
Guys, I'm Darius from Dinky, aka Dinky, aka Chinna.
Yeah.
Sushi.
Okay.
Get the drinks.
Okay.
And get the stir fries.
Okay.
From the other restaurant, not this restaurant.
At all.
Disappointing.
No recommendations. And I love your hair. Where did you get it done?
So this morning, I was like, I'm meeting Tanaka for the first time, by the way.
Ah!
I was like, pretty for this person.
Oh.
I'm going to town, get my hair, like buy hair, then do my hair, right?
Yes.
So I'm looking at time. This is now 12:30. Then I miss her. I'm like, I'm so sorry. I'm doing my hair because of her.
So introduce yourself.
My name is Nyasha.
Oh, how old are you, Gasha?
I'm 9 years.
I heard you trying to do my English accent.
You say, I'm here with my daughter, Nyasha, and then I want to get water. Welcome back to Tanaka Sit down, madam.
Sit down, madam. Oh, these are my daughters in...
My daughters.
My daughters. And in Tishona, you don't really say cousin. It's either daughters, you are this, you're that. Cousin kind of reduces the relationship. These guys are doing my makeup today.
Gold.
She was actually seeing.
I'm using gold.
And I'm having my dip from the shop in Mount Pleasant. It tastes so nice.
Don't look. Not yet.
No, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm even avoiding.
Yeah, I feel like my side is perfect.
Say okay.
Oh, guys. I'm shining.
But you actually look like a dog.
Again, ugly dog.
Munesa look same show. Munesa lenga kungot murichaki.
So we're just getting some pies. You should be the brand ambassador for this pie.
It's amazing.
What flavor did you get?
Beef and onion.
Onion.
Oh, okay.
Can never go wrong with some beef. Some moo moo. So we landed in Nyanga and we're having dinner. Din Dins, sponsored by Zash. Oh yes, we got the bread.
Leah made
Oh, thank you, Leah. That looks fresh.
Yeah.
Ooh, what salad is this? Cabbage.
This is really, honestly, just a salad I just threw together. Nobody knows what it is. There's honey, berries, grapes, tomato, what's it called? Some things.
You'll find out when we open up our own kitchen.
Jesus, this is hard. Huh? Yeah. No, it's real bread, bro.
Morora.
I ain't no more.
She hates that one.
Morora. Morora. Cheka, cheka, cheka.
Right, so food's ready.
You're just gonna like break it, hey?
Like Jesus did.
Breaking bread.
Feeding the 5,000. What does it smell? Good?
Smells good.
Yeah, no, she's really good at
On to
it.
the
So she's a baker too.
She's actually a chef.
Oh.
Trained chef. And this is Dr. Trouble.
Oh.
This mother is
good.
amazing. Put this on, I put it on everything.
Oh my
Even
gosh.
vegetables.
Dr.
It's a Zimbabwean chili made in somewhere in Harare.
Oh, Zimbabwean owned. I love
Yeah,
that.
Zimbabwean owned. Yeah.
Dr.
It's
chili.
actually shipped to England too.
Oh.
Yeah, the UK.
Definitely check that out.
Yeah. So you're gonna love it.
I can smell it already.
If anyone wants to take over.
No, Morora. Good morning from Nyanga. So this morning we woke up super early to see the sunrise, and baby, it's absolutely amazing. I captured it all. And this house is so beautiful. So we arrived here yesterday evening, and it's that time for some pictures. Pose, honey. Oh my god. So we're off to like Froggy's farm. Apparently it's good. It's quite a big deal here in Mutare, or people travel from Harare allegedly. So yeah, gonna see it for myself and see what little treats and buys I can get from there, and also starving Marvin, so I hope there's yummy food. But this house is chef kisses. It just needs a bit of decor and a bit of styling, but other than that it's beautiful.
Then you put honey.
So I'm taking
That there.
so this one's mine.
Which is your honey? This is your one.
That one's my one.
That's what you paid. You got to go
Yeah,
with it.
thank
Because if
you.
it stays here, I will sell it.
Why will you sell my honey?
Well, because you left it behind. They say losers weep.
That's it. Like,
Oh, okay. And how much is it?
That's also 5.
5 as well. Do you want them?
How did you say it was spelled again?
Employed, it's
ginger.
M
Spiced ginger.
T.
M spiced ginger.
Oh, that's yummy.
And that's N.
M.
So we ordered some pulled pork, and someone's already.
Yeah.
She's always the first one.
I just find it weird. Oh, sorry, I'm making noise.
No.
Nancy, which one? I was going to put one on the flower garden. What do you think? Which ones? I fancied the keys ones
Yeah, the key one is nice.
because it'll be with the,
It is,
on
yeah.
the flower garden. I think I like the noise of that one better.
A little stopover because we saw those mats. They are absolutely beautiful, but slightly extortionate. That big one over there, 60. Other one, 60. The mats are like, the baskets are like $10, but you can get them usually for a fraction of that price. So now we're just chilling with our Savannah Dries, and she's got Hunter's Gold. Clink, clink. And the views to die for. So we had a really good content morning, photographed around Nyanga and the mountains. It was so lovely, so scenic and stuff. So
Do me a favor. The sun's behind us.
okay.
So, for you to get light on her, I guess there's no need, right? Because it's behind us. It's in front of us.
Yeah,
But your face, I do want.
face to come out a bit.
Yeah. See that?
I see that.
Yeah.
You
'Cause
see
when
that?
I'm doing like a close-up vibe. You just
Yeah.
kind of go here. But for now, I think should be fine.
Now we're going to go to Trotbeck, and we're going to go to see if there's any falls around here, because Mutare is quite popular for its little falls and rivers and stuff. So I'm going to try and get some balm-ass bikini shots over there. And yeah, so far it's been so lovely, just like relaxing and just chilling. And yeah, it's not been fast-paced. I feel like we've just been taking our time each day as it comes. And I hate a fully packed itinerary, because a holiday always changes. And first we started as 9, now we're 3. So that alone is a testament of how things change. So we just paid for the Nyanga Falls. It was $20 including the vehicle. Not bad. So now we're just gonna drive. Wow. Good? Good morning. So I was gifted this tie set and I'm going to photograph it this morning. And it's a wrap set, so you can tie it anyhow. You know how these scarf trends go, but I decided to twist it and do something different that I don't usually do. And then these are the pants, and it's like this wrinkled shiny material, and it's in this peach color, but it's so beautiful, especially on my skin color. On dark skin women, this will look chef kisses. And I think the top is $25. The pants are $40, so I think altogether is like $60. Not bad, right? Supporting Zimbabwean businesses, and they gifted me this to photograph. So yeah, I'm gonna try and take some photos out here because the sun is shining, it's beautiful, and I am so ready to come back. And I totally understand why the whites colonized Zimbabwe, because this place is phenomenal, and there are a lot of white farmers and Rhodesians that still live here, especially in Mutare, Nyanga area. It's just so scenic, and they've built so many nice holiday homes in the rural areas. So yeah, it's a great place to live and to retire. I totally understand. It's just so peaceful, tranquil, and so many nice things to do. And it's the views. It's honestly the views. Describe this trip in 2 words or 1 word.
Blissful.
Blissful. All eyes on you, ma'am.
I would say friendship. I'd say friendship. Yeah. It was, yeah, it's a better one, huh? I'm smart.
Good morning, babies. I missed you too. How are you, babe? So we have some new puppies, Buffy, and that's Bambi. And then Sugar and Rodrigo. You can tell by their behavior which one's which, but they have been officially vaccinated now. And we thank God for that, because rabies is real, and these, especially the big ones, they like to bite people, isn't it, Els?
Yeah, bro.
So in case they bite someone, we know you're not gonna get sick. Look at the spellings. Sugar. Sugar. I repeat, sugar. This is by a doctor, by the way. Sugar. At least spell it with the normal sugar. A-R instead of E-R. Oh my gosh. See, the dogs are not even happy. Sugar's not happy. Oh, hello, baby. I missed you too. I'm trying to head out. Good morning. So yesterday was so funny. Yesterday was my little cousin's birthday. Let me close the window. Yesterday was my little cousin's birthday, and we had like a little birthday party for her. She's absolutely hilarious. Like, she is full of so much character for a 3-year-old. Come on, independent woman. Yeah! Wafare, Renas. Wafara. And after I had a shoot with Naka Visuals, and then we went to like Lion and Cheetah Park because I wanted like a zebra aesthetic, and we nailed it. And it was a bit of a struggle because the zebras kept running away from us, so we had to keep walking backwards so that they don't keep running away. And that was fun. And then this morning I'm actually going to meet up with Chiedza. We're going like shopping. She's going to show me a couple of boutiques that she shops around with, because I'm trying to see like what's out here in Harare in terms of shopping wise, because I see that there's a lot of like Instagram boutiques but some of them the quality isn't great. So yeah, we're gonna go shopping, and then after we have a barbecue for Simba Tags. So I'm just gonna go pick up Chiedza, and then we have a vroom all the way to where this little boutique is. Beautiful. No, you're really good at interior. Is it you or was that?
It's all me.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
Be a part of it, obviously, even that's new. So even this walkway, definitely the grass
is new. It's gorgeous.
This is a buyer.
Only $20.
Only $20. What size is that?
It's a medium. No, it's not even. I think it's a free size, babe. Yeah,
One
medium
size.
to large.
That is cute.
The only one your size.
I think you need 20, but I'm change 100. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
That one, that one's a client.
Client, influencer.
Do you see that she even brought a person to even buy stuff?
Influencer.
Okay.
And do 59.
This one's the $15 one. I think this one might work for the house.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, for the lamp with the mustard thing. All right.
Thank you, Major Best.
Hey.
That's a birthday.
Oh, Chi. Chi, you should get the San Pellegrino.
So we have an issue of.
It's a very big shop.
This one is white owned,
And we have one of the locals.
the locals,
I need nothing.
and this one is black owned. Dehydrate.
I think it's sweet.
It is nice.
Cool.
So do you dry them yourself?
Yeah.
Wow. How long does the process take?
You don't like hours.
Really?
Apples are the quickest. They take about 6 hours.
Okay.
The pineapple oranges 8-9 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Bananas are the worst.
Oh. Yeah, and then that all
Yeah.
Yeah.
12 hours?
Like
Bananas. You can
But you
already.
can go to bed while it's doing, right?
Yeah, so normally I leave the machine running overnight.
So what do we say about the white owned? Out of 10.
It's a good
It's actually, it's good.
Well, if you know you're doing a cheeseburger, this is pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I like
But I wouldn't do it like dinner. I'm going to bed.
And I'm going to dinner. So this afternoon we are going to Wild is Life Connection, and it's just by the airport in Harare, and they charge, I think it was like 50 for an adult and 40 for a child, and I'm not feeling this money. Do you even know how much this amounts to? All we know is that we ain't balling. We ain't shot callers. So this is, it's been a long time since I've touched actual Zimbabwean money. I feel like everything has just been US dollars for a couple of years. So it's good to see that Zimbabwean dollars are actually circulating, even though they're quite penniless. So you can't even use this on the foreign exchange market. I don't even think it's on there. So I'm currently waiting for Takutwa. He's part of Naka Visuals and I'm excited. Yesterday I got to work with them. So I was like to him today, listen, we need to work together today. And I love working with Zim creatives. I feel like there's greater power in collaborating with other creators. So I'm like, you know what, let's work together. So he's been with us for about 1.5 of those years. Bumi is the slightly larger one. He's being looked after by Amos on the left hand side. He came to us from Bumi Hills, where he was found. Some afternoon tea for 2, some cakes, and some tea. You haven't said hi to my vlog.
Hello,
introduce yourself.
I'm Tabu, Naka Visuals,
Yep.
favorite photographer.
Yes.
And we're here enjoying ourselves.
Exactly.